Welcome. This is Held by the Earth with Rachel Boucher. This space is for sensitive souls, for those who feel deeply and move through the world with an intuitive heart. If you're here to rest, to soften, or simply to be held for a few moments, you're in the right place. Today's practice is a rain Yoga Nidra, a guided meditation designed to help you soften, settle, and rest deeply, held by the steady rhythm of rain. If you're new to Yoga Nidra, you might think of it as a form of conscious rest. You'll be guided to lie down comfortably and listen, allowing your body to relax while your awareness stays gently awake. There's nothing to do, nothing to fix, and nowhere to go. Yoga Nidra invites the nervous system to slow, the mind to quiet, and the body to receive rest that can feel as nourishing as sleep, sometimes even deeper. In this practice, rain becomes an ally, a steady presence, a reminder that you are held by the earth. Just as rain falls without effort, you're invited to let go, drop by drop, into a sense of being supported by the earth beneath you. As you listen, allow your body to find its own way into comfort. Let's begin. Welcome to Rain Yoga Nidra. Settle into a comfortable spot and notice your natural breathing, the rise and fall of your chest, the air filling your lungs. Let yourself be however you are. Invite and welcome all of you to be present in this moment. No need to judge yourself. Listen to the sounds of the rain. Let yourself breathe slowly and notice the rise and fall of your chest. If it feels comfortable for you, close your eyes and take a few more deep breaths. Allowing yourself to settle into the surface that is holding you. Notice the sounds of your own breathing and the sensations in your body. Let yourself be as you are. Imagine yourself lying underneath the umbrella of a large pine tree in a beautiful forest. You are surrounded by gorgeous greenery, and you hear the gentle sounds of nature. Feel the cool earth beneath you supporting your body as you let go of any tension or stress. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your inhales and exhales, like the steady patter of raindrops falling softly on the ground. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, mirroring the gentle cadence of a summer rain shower. As you continue to breathe, imagine the rain starting to fall and then gradually building into a steady downpour. Feel the cool droplets as they touch your skin, washing away any worries or cares. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in the fresh, cleansing energy of the rain. Feel it revitalizing every cell in your body, restoring balance and harmony within. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or negativity, allowing it to be carried away by the rain, like leaves floating downstream in a gentle stream. Now bring your awareness to your physical body, starting from the crown of your head, and imagine the rain washing over you, soothing and relaxing every muscle and joint. Feel the tension melting away from your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw. Allow your entire face to soften completely, like a flower opening up to receive the nourishing rain. Now bring your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Feel the rain washing away any tightness or discomfort, allowing your shoulders to sink deeper into the earth with each breath. Continue to scan your body, inviting the rain to flow down your arms, your chest, your belly, your hips, all the way down to your toes. Feel the tension melting away, leaving you feeling light, relaxed, and at peace. If you wish, repeat these affirmations silently or just listen to them and let them wash through you. I am refreshed and rejuvenated like a plant blooming after a spring rain. I am washed clean of stress and worry, like the earth after a downpour. I embrace the rain, the sounds and sensations. I am cleansed and purified by the soothing rhythm of the falling water. I am nourished and hydrated by the gentle embrace of the rain. I am grateful for the life-giving energy of the rain, nourishing me. I am refreshed and renewed like the earth after a gentle rain. I am open to receiving the blessings of the earth after a nourishing rain. As the rain continues to fall, imagine yourself being enveloped in a cocoon of healing energy. Feel it wrapping around you like a warm blanket, nurturing and supporting you in every way. Take a few moments to simply rest in this feeling of deep relaxation, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment, like a seed soaking up the nourishing rain, ready to bloom and grow. Continue to notice the sounds of the rain as you become more aware of the sensations in your body. Sense the fabric that is touching your skin. Notice how the earth is supporting you as your lungs breathe in the air around your being. When you feel ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath, bringing gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. stretch your arms and legs. And take your time coming back to the present moment. When you are ready, open your eyes and remember that you carry within you a sense of peace and rejuvenation. And this comes from connecting with the healing power of the rain. Know that you can return to this place of calm and tranquility whenever you need to recharge and replenish your spirit. Sense where your body makes contact with the earth, letting that support register fully. When you're ready, allow gentle movements, perhaps a small stretch or a deeper breath. Let yourself return at a pace that feels natural. And if you know someone who would appreciate this kind of rest, you're welcome to pass this episode along. And if you'd like to hear about new sessions or quiet reflections, you can sign up for my mailing list on my website, rachelroseboucher.com. Thank you for being here. And remember, you are held by the earth.